Hi boys and girls, Miss Sam here. Today, we're going to read this book called Don't Push the Button. While we're reading it, I want us to practice using our good speech sounds and also practice following directions. When we're all done, we're going to make our own monster puppet, so make sure you pay attention. Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. Can you say push? Push. Good. What's on the front cover? A purple monster. You're right. All right, let's see what happens. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Should we push it? No? All right, listen to Larry. What's the monster's name? Larry, good. Seriously, don't even think about it. Are you thinking about it? Let's see. It does look pretty nice, though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Should I give it one push? Okay, let's do one push. One. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ack! Now there's two of me. There are two Larrys. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. What happened when we pushed it a bunch of times? It made a bunch of Larrys, right? Yeah. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. So what do we need to do to get rid of all the Larrys? We have to shake the book. Should I shake it some more? Let's see if I get rid of them. Almost. Shake it a little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. So what do I need to do? Scratch his stomach? Hee, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Should we do it? Nah, we don't want to mess up Larry again. The end. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my own monster, kind of like Larry. And I'm just going to use some things that I had in my house. So I had this little bag. You could also use a brown lunch bag if you had one. And I have some glue and some markers and some stickers. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the handles off the bottom. And I'm going to give my monster some eyes. I'm going to use the flap as his mouth. So when I put my hand in it, he can kind of talk. Okay, so I'm going to put my eyes up here on the bottom or on the top? On the top. Good. All right. I'm going to give him some googly eyes. You could draw some eyes too if you don't have any googly eyes. He's going to have 5 eyes. 5 eyes. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Ah, he's crazy. Now I'm going to give him some hair. I'm going to use some of this paper I have to make him have some hair. He's going to have some green hair. You can say green hair. We're going to put the green hair on the top of Larry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half, right down the middle. Then I'm going to make little snips to make him have some crazy hair. See how I'm making little snips? Kind of looks like grass. So where's his hair going to go? Is it going to go on the top or on the bottom? on the top. So go ahead and put your hair on the top above his eyes. So I'm going to use my glue. Make a line of glue and stick on his hair. All right. And then inside of his mouth, what does he need? A tongue or maybe some teeth. So I'm going to draw a tongue. I'm going to make him have a sticking out tongue. And color that in. Can you draw a tongue inside your mouth or draw some sharp teeth? Mine's going to have a tongue. So we're going to open his mouth and we'll see his tongue. And now I'm going to draw some polka dots on mine and a nose. So he's going to have some purple polka dots. And there's going to be some that are big and some that are little. All over. All right, so there's my purple polka dots. I'm going to give him a nose, too. I think I'm going to have him have an orange nose. There it is. I put that in the middle. All right, so how's my Larry look? Does he look good? I can put my hand in and make him talk. So, hello, boys and girls. Hello. I'm Larry. So what are you going to name your monster? Make sure you send me a picture of your monster once you follow all the directions that your mom and dad give you to make your own. I hope you guys have a great day, and I miss you all so much. Bye.